What's poppin'? It's your boy Fine, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was just taking a shit, and I was like reaching down, wiping my ass, and I looked down, and there was shit on my fingers, and I was disgusted. But after a rigorous wash, we're back with another video, and today I'm gonna show y'all how to make these pants, right? And I'm gonna do it a little different. We're gonna do it like a slideshow because I feel like this just saves a little time. He let me take it all the way through, and I can also give you a better quality audio with the omnidirectional mic off screen. But so I got the pants here on my big screen. Oh wait, before we get into that, this is what I made a little more recently. All right. Yes. Stop it. Okay, but next video is gonna be on this or a little bit something along the lines of this. So let's get into the pants. My big screen here, I got the pants I got from Walmart, and I just put them on inside out to see where I want to taper them, right? And then once I see where I want to taper them, I just pin it right there along the lines of how I would like it. And then once you get the pins, you just want to draw a line to kind of like, so you can sew it in. And then you want to pop the hem all the way around so you can sew straight up the side with no interruptions or anything like that. And once you pop the hems, give it a good iron, and it'll make it easier to sew, and it makes it look cooler in the end. So what you did to this leg looks very stylish. I know, thank you. Do it to this leg right here, right? And then you will result in a pair of jeans that look like these. These look pretty wavy right here with that sweater I made in the other video. These look wavy, but we're gonna go further. We're gonna go harder. Let's get it. So I got me some good gradient of some fabric from Goodwill. Just get, however much you want. You can go as least or as many colors as you want, but I got me a good 4 colors. And then you just wanna, wrong picture. Hold on. So, wait, still wrong picture. So once you get your gradient, you wanna cut out squares, right? And once you cut out your little squares or whatever, you're gonna just put them into the first. Okay, so you want that, the top scrap is what you want, right? But you need to take the bottom scraps and put them in 2 and 2. And that just makes it faster. I don't know why, but it works for me. So I sew 2 and 2, and I make a little chain. You don't have to stop. You can just continue. Sew on, boom, 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 keep going. So I make the 2 of the lighter gradients, and then I sew the 2 of the darker gradients together. And then once I do that, I sew the 2 of all of the gradients together to equal all these long patches. Yes, it's tedious, but we're gonna get there. All right, now we take the patches and sew 2 long patches together, and we're gonna sew them at the top of the hem of the original hem. We're gonna sew 1 strip there, and then another one 5 inches apart, and another one 5 inches apart. And once you do that, you just want to cut it on the other side and fray them a little bit. And for the other one, I took a long strip of jean fabric, and then I took shorter strips, and I just made another gradient shingle style. I started with the one at the bottom, and I sewed, and I kept on going. But you need 1 long strip as your base strip to sew the other ones on. And I used a pretty sturdy one. I used the 3rd darkest one because it was pretty sturdy to hold them on there. And then once you do that, I just cut it in half. 1 for both jeans. You want it pretty wide. And then I just measured about, I believe it was 1 inch, actually 1 inch from the top furthest, the one that was perpendicular to it, just about 1 inch from there. And I just sewed it on upside down and leave enough rooms that you can still sew the whole pants closed. You know what I mean? And so I did that, and then same thing, sew it on, cut it open from the other side, and I did that to both sides. And then give it some frays. And there we go. We ended up with some very beautiful jeans. If I must say so myself, like, geez, this is drip. Is this not drip? Comment if this is drip. And if you say it's not drip, I'm beating your ass because you lying, little nigga. But yeah, I added some more patches, but they were just personal, just a little taste. But there you go. You got the base. Sauce it up. Do what you please. Like, shit, don't let me stop you. But yeah, thanks for watching. had a fun time, and I'll be back with another video as soon as I can with this drip. You know what I mean? With the baby Jesus drip. Don't even get me started. I'll see y'all later.